during now recognition of approaches in Slovenia, we are getting critics that it goes for pseudoscience. But while I'm listening to you, it doesn't go for pseudoscience, but it goes for new development science.
Yeah.
That has to be addressed during doing what is scientifically proven.
Actually, we had also our guideline when it comes to the mixture of with the esoteric applications, and those want to be clear. We want to be really clear that we're scientific oriented organization, and we assess our members based on their approach, and even it is forbidden to make an marketing where you mix those two.